Hey guys, so as you could tell from the title of this video, we are actually going to be doing a spiderweb themed eyeliner with the candy corn eyeshadow. So let's just get into the makeup look. So in my last video, I actually did a bat wing eyeliner, and this one we're going to be doing a spiderweb one. We're going to be going in with the NYX eyeshadow base in the color Skin Tone, just to prime our eyelids. And I'm actually wearing my Can't Relate t-shirt. I got it 2 weeks ago. It was from the Jeffree Star Halloween collection. And I actually ordered it the same time that I ordered the mystery box. And I actually showed you all what was in the mystery box in the last video. So if you missed it, go check it out. It'll be linked in the description down below. And I like to especially put this in my crease because it gets super oily there. And the oils break down the makeup. I have no idea why it gets oily in my crease because the rest of my skin gets pretty dry. Okay, so we are going to be taking the Nomad Berlin Underground palette. Using a Morphe M166 brush, we're going to be going in to this light gold color. And just putting that right here in the very center middle of our eye. Okay, and now using a Morphe M506 brush, we're now going in to this darker gold color. We're going to be dragging that along the outer part. And those two colors should be able to blend together really well. We're going to be taking a Morphe M431 brush and dipping into this purple in the palette called Love Parade. And just dragging that along our waterline. Okay, and now we are going to be taking this champagne kind of color, the very bottom of the palette, called Chaos Stage. We're putting that on our inner corner, and that's a really nice kind of transition into the pale yellow. And I know this isn't exactly candy corn colors, but I really wanted to make it really pretty and yellow, so that's the best thing that I could reference. Okay, so we are going to be taking the Beauty Killer palette by Jeffree Star and going into China White, and we're going to be using a Morphe E62 brush, and I love using this brush for my brow bone because it is an angled brush. I don't know why I'm getting so much fallout today. Okay, so now we're going to be dipping into the eyeshadow. We are going to be using the NYX Matte Liquid Liner with this applicator because I've actually done this look last year and it worked out really well for me. So I'm just going to be using it the same way this year. Okay, so I feel like they're pretty even right now. I just had to adjust this one a little bit. And instead of automatically connecting it to the very bottom like you would normally do for a cat liner, we're going to be just building upon that with some spider webs. And now that you basically have the outline for the spider webs, this actually looks kind of crazy right now. You just connect it. And then add a little bit more detail. So now that we added more detail, that is the spiderweb eyeliner, and I'm just going to be time-lapsing this side just to save on time. I think I got eyeliner in my hair. And you can do it extreme like this side, or you can go a little bit more subtle like this side and just leave it like that. Okay, so I'm going to be putting on my mascara and magnetic lashes off camera just to save on time, and I will meet you guys here back for the end of the video. Okay, so I am back from putting on my magnetic lashes, and I actually ran out of mascara, so I had to go and open up a new package and everything, but it was kind of weird because Ardell changed the lash band on my favorite magnetic lashes, so now it's kind of like a wire, so I feel like I have to curl my eyelashes in order for it to be secure on there, so it's just one extra step, but You know, as long as the lashes look okay, I'm completely fine with it. And if you put on your mascara and you curl your lashes, they actually sit pretty well. And I don't know how I feel about this new lash band. I will let you all know once, you know, I get into the rhythm of it, how I like it, if I dislike it compared to the original, because the original has a more flexible band, whereas this one is more of a wiry material. So I'll let you all know my thoughts on that, but until then, remember, you're all strong, articulate, independent individuals, and I hope you all enjoyed the look. On my lips, I actually put on the Tarte Tartist Bling liquid lip paint, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!